What's up, Soy4756 Oh yeah, screen recorder. Did I lock that into my freaking Alright, today we're gonna be playing Hoops Demo. The most trashiest basketball game I can ever think of. So let's play it. But it's kinda good for us. This is my literally fourth time playing it. I kinda like it, but I hate it. Hand me this. Oh my god. Hand me it! Bro, you finna go in or not? Yeah, delay of game. You can mess up for everybody. No. Pass you. Oh, I have the ball. Oh shoot. Oh, make that. See guys, when you saw me get a green, it says you did it. Alright, don't look at this chat. I said JK. I said something. JK. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you're so bad. You belong in a dump. What the? He's going out of bed. Yeah, he does belong in a dump. What is freaking hacker self? Looking like James Charles. What? This game is so weird. Give me this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can't tell. Defense. Defense. Bro, I actually like that song. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. I was just about to play a song, but no, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. I got copyrighted on one of my vids. Like, can't you guys believe that? Oh, let's. Ah! Oh my god! You fouled me. You're trash. Just get out of my game. Green. Yeah. They're gonna call me Shaq. Oh my god, Shaq! He's right there. I'm Shaq. Hold on. I'm Shaq. I'm actually Shaq. No cap. Oh my god. That's cap. Yes, you are. You're cap. No, I'm not. Why would I eat gum? Get that out of here! You must. Because you're trash. Give me this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. You yay. Oh, yellow. I'm done. Guys, let me know if I should do face cam. But I'm probably never going to do face cam. But I do got face cam. Might not even do face cam. He said green blocked. What the? Thanks. Oh my god! Oh, he's Steph Curry. Bro, I don't like Steph Curry. And what's up with these Roblox girls that just do always fat legs, but her legs are mismatched. She's unshaped. Well, have you been eating good, Mr. ET Star? Have you been eating good? No, Soy, I've been eating badly. Okay, get out of my game. Only no fat kids allowed. I'm just fine. I'm D double doggy playing. No one wants defense. We love me because I just missed. Oh my god, James, you're just so good. I said James. Oh my god, James. That's not even my name. James is not my name. James. What the frick? James. James! I'm not gonna cherry pick, so You're trash. Leave the game. You're dookie, bro. Just I'm recording to get. He's older than me. Ow! Don't hit me on my. Ow! You made me mid. I got orange. Stop blowing bubbles. No, stop for. Offense against Soyford. I had the ball. What? He missed. He's a fucking spammer. Oh my god, blocked it. What? He missed. Anyway, so. Alright. Alright, I have bad offense, so I'm a cherry pick. Green. It's not even green. Green bean. What the? I'm not gonna say it. Skip, skip, skip. That's loud. I'm gonna get caught. Alright. I wasn't trying to get copyrighted. I'm gonna get copyrighted. What the frick? This guy is such a freaking cherry picker. Like, where are you going, bro? Stop cherry picking. You're gonna get backcourt. Backcourt violation. Watch, I'm gonna block my own teammate. He gonna say, what the frick? Watch. Get that out of here. I blocked him. Get out of here, bro. Here. Yeah. I'm trying to make a 10-minute video so I can get ads and I can get some. Don't go to Buckstep for free Robux. Don't. Actually, don't. That's a scam website. I should have never said that. I should have never said that. Yeah, but don't go there. No, no. That's where you get scammed at. Oh my god! Leave! You're bad. You leave. Your mom. I spelled it wrong. Watch him up. Should I get freaking cherry picking? Oh my god. What is oh my god. Oh my god. Went for it. You cherry pick. Cherry picking, looking at boy. Looking at boy. You cherry pick. No. you do cherry pick, bro. Stop the cap. Man, I play offense. What the what? Yeah, come to me. Come to daddy. Yeah. Oh my god. Get that out of here. I'm blocking foul. I'm a server hop. I'm a server hop. No, your mom's bad. I'm a server hop. Alright, yeah. You got me bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe you. You got me bad. You hurt my feelings. Yo, what do you got to say for the camera? Chewing noises? Oh my god.
Wait.
Hey, stop. Stop. I said stop. Yes, stop.
I'm listening to you.
Shut the frick up, Joseph. Oh, I don't even have this on mute. They can hear what I'm saying.
Why does people watch you and they have headphones and you just heard?
Oh my god, they have headphones. No, none of my YouTubers have.
James, just because you don't have.
That's copyrighted. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, guys.
Oh, this house.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just to stop. I'm family friendly. I don't cuss. Frick, Megan Nagallon. Three. Yeah, guys, you see how bad this game is? Alright, guys, you see how bad this game is? Sorry, I had myself on mute. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. This. Skip. Oh my god, I made it. I made it red. Oh my god. What the frick was that noise? Look, watch this. Watch this good pass. What does he do? Yeah, that's backward. 100, 100, 110%. 110%. He's gonna get backward. Get out of there! Damn, I blocked him. Oh. 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 You missed. Oh. Oh my god! See, guys, this is why the game is so bad. I'm ending this. Yeah, I'm ending it. Bye. No. Yeah, subscribe to me. That's all.